Do you have the same problem we have at my house? Whenever you go to Papa John's, you never get enough of the garlic butter sauce, or someone runs off with it, or someone takes it all at your house. I can show you how to make this at home. And you know what? You can use other pizza if you like. Now, I'm only going to use 2 ingredients in this, and this is, liquid margarine, because Papa John's doesn't really use butter. And we're going to use some garlic. I find if you don't use real garlic, if you use the garlic granules, they're going to be kind of gritty in there. So we're not going to use those. So let's go ahead and make this. It's so simple to do. So we're going to begin with some fresh garlic. Grab you 2 or 3 cloves. I have the exact measurements down below, but you can be a little flexible on this if you like. If you like a little more garlic, add a little bit more. Now I'm just going to take this and press it. Then we're going to peel off the shell. Okay, so once you have your garlic peeled, I'm going to use a grater right here, and we're just going to grate this in here. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can use a knife, but just cut it super fine. When you use one of these rasps or grater like this, they almost liquefy the garlic. So it works really, really well. Like whenever I want to sneak onion or garlic into something and I don't want people to know that I'm using either one of those 2, I'll just use one of these, and no one's any the wiser. Once you have a couple of teaspoons of this garlic all minced in here, you're going to go ahead and add between 1/4 and 1/3 cup of this margarine. So you could use clarified butter, but this stuff stays liquid better. So unfortunately, we're going to grab this. So once you have your garlic all minced up in there, it's time to go ahead and add the liquid gold here. So we're going to add a little over 1/4 cup right here, and then we're going to stir it together. There you go. What do we do next? We can put this in the refrigerator to let those flavors mingle and kind of marry throughout there. This way that flavor of garlic really permeates all the way through here. So while we wait for the pizza, we're just going to let this rest. So we have the pizza here. We have our Papa John's garlic butter after it's been in their fridge, letting the flavors permeate through. So it's time to go ahead and give this a try. You know what? Before I do, but you know the best thing is, finally, you can have plenty of this around the house when you make it yourself. My house, I never get any of this. It always walks off long before I get a try. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh my God. I normally don't get jazzed over my own cooking, but that is really good. Just the perfect butteriness and garlic in there. It's so good. I hope you give this recipe a try soon. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. The recipes come out about once a week, and I'd love to share more recipes with you. But before you go, drop me a comment down below of what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.